I'm back for a get ready with me. It's been quite a while since I've done a get ready with me. I think I've done 2 or 3 on this channel so far. Decided that today would be a good day to do another one. So anyway, it is 10 a.m. right now and I'm going to go meet my dear friend Capsule Bunny today. We're going to go to Yokohama and I don't really know, like she's got some samples or like some kind of new thing that she designed, so she wants me to try to wear it and maybe we just like film a little vlog together. Anyway, I'm excited. It should be a pretty chill day, but since I'm going to be changing clothes, I'm probably going to keep my outfit a wee bit simple today, but it'll still be a Jirai vibe, so hope you guys will like it. Anyway, I already showered, my hair is completely dry, and I brushed my teeth, skincare and stuff, so this is just me existing. So I always start with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, so that is where I'm going to start today as well. Now usually I do my makeup over at my vanity, which is right there. there. However, the lighting is shit over there, and then also I just can't really like fit the tripod and stuff on there as well. So, and also this background's just more aesthetic, I think. I am pink. So recently I started using this from Couture. I've only been using it for maybe like 2 weeks now, but I like it. It's got like SPF in it, and since summer is coming and the sun is going to be a lot harsher, I thought having some more products with like sunscreen bases would be good. And then also it's green, so it gets rid of those red tones. Next is concealer, which I absolutely hate the packaging for this. Like, it just gets crap all fucking over it. It doesn't matter. I don't get it. Like, I like the product. I think that like the actual formula is good, but what the fuck is this? I don't know, it just makes me so pissed off because then it's like inside the vanity looks gross and I don't like it. So Tarte, please fix that. I'm not a fan of whatever fucking shitty packaging you are using. It's messy, it's what the hell? I don't get it. And like every single like other person I've known that has used this concealer, it always like fucking looks like this. Like I'm like, it's a concealer, it's not a lip gloss. Why is it in this kind of packaging? Anyway, I'm gonna put it on my face. Anyway, this is also from Couture. This is the Mask Fit Aura Cushion. But it's pretty good. Honestly, I like it. I would try the other stuff, the other ones too. I want to try the one that like looks like a crystal just because the packaging's cute. It's given like Jill Stewart, which is cute. So, how do you tell if it runs out on a cushion foundation? Because it's like in the bottle, you're like, oh look, there's like this much liquid left. But it always feels like on cushions, you're just like, oh, suddenly shit doesn't work. So you're like, fuck, now what do I do? You know? Anyway, I'm figuring it out. Trying to get into that cushion lifestyle because it like, I don't know, it just like looks like such a convenient lifestyle. Like, what do you mean you don't have to carry a beauty blender and a bottle of stuff around? Powder. And usually I don't like can make. I think that their stuff evaporates immediately off of your face. But this is pretty good. And this is the Can Make Marshmallow Finishing Powder. So I like this one actually. I don't think it evaporates quite as quickly and it matches the skin pretty well. It's cute on the inside, looks like this. My big old fucking fingerprint there. Anyway, if you ever needed my fingerprints, check my makeup. I'm sure there was one there. Blush from Dior. This is, oh shit, so, wait, what the hell? Whatever. Okay, anyway, this is the Dior Rosy Glow in 001 Pink. Look at how cute it is. It's cute. Honestly, I was afraid to use this for the longest time because I didn't want to fuck up the like little D's, but like, it's makeup, you gotta use it even if you mess it up. I feel that way with a flower nose also. Like anytime there's just like a cute like whatever print, pattern, engraving. I always feel like bad about using it. I'm like, oh my god, it's a work of art. But like my face is also a work of art, so it's like I gotta like, you know, paint it. That's blush for blushing. Next is highlight. Speaking of flower nose, this is the Flower Nose Angel highlighter, and this is shade New Era. It's really pretty. I've like messed it up a lot though, so it's no longer pretty. But it was pretty once upon a time when I bought it. So, but the highlight itself is like, I'm sick of the rain. It makes me very depressed. Like it, basically this whole summer, not summer. I'm unwell. Anyway, basically this whole winter, it was rainy and disgusting, and I get like the seasonal depression, like kind of bad, for lack of a better word. And so, yeah, this was a hard winter for me. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really do much, didn't really enjoy doing anything. So I'm happy that it is now spring. I can become alive as a human again. This is the Too Faced Frosted Strawberry palette. It's like Pop-Tarts. It's super cute. Anyway, I can become a human again and like leave my house and enjoy leaving my house. But it's like, I don't know, I didn't really enjoy being in nor out of my house. Like I just was like there, like existing. So that was kind of sad. Wasn't a fan of that feeling. Like I typically get seasonal depression, but yeah, anyway. I hope that this is like looking okay because I'm just doing it in my phone, but I think it should be okay. Honestly, I like your Jirai makeup's a bit busted. I feel like it's just part of the vibes. Like touch it up and shit a bit more later, but it's literally fine. No one cares. And if you do care, get a hobby. There is no need to care that much about what other people are doing or how other people are looking. Yeah, I'm just in a rambly mood today, so like I'm sorry if like I'm just chatting at you guys. It's like YouTube's always a kind of a weird feeling for me because it's like you don't get a response or like a reaction until after you post the video. So it's like me talking to myself and then I say something that I'm like, that might be funny. And then I keep it. And then if it's something that's like, wow, that's really boring. Why did I even talk about that? Then I cut it. And then it's like, I get the reaction from you guys later and you're like, oh, that was funny, or oh, that was interesting, or like, oh, that was cool, or whatever. But it's like, when you're just talking, you don't know what's interesting or cool or funny. And like, I don't know. It's hard. It's weird. I don't know. Like, oh yeah, so I drew on the Namida Bukuro with like this. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I'm a fucking shitty beauty person. Anyway, this was the base color, and then I put this one on the corners and on this one on the bottom, and then I used this light brown to make Namida Bukuro, and then I used this white in like the Namida Bukuro part. Oh my god. Why am I so bad at this? Oh my god, I'm so sad. Anyway, it just wants me to kill it, I swear. It's like that meme that's like, hello, I want you to kill me. I'm doing it. One of these days I will kill it. I make a thinnish line and then bring it down because that's Jirai. I'm really bad at doing this on camera, but so I'm gonna do it over there, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Okay, I'm back. So this is the one eye. This is without eyeliner. Yoop and a yoop. You bring that down. The Jirai K look is all about looking droopy, so make it droop. Alright, and there's the other eye done. Anyway, now we move on to the brown one. And the brown one, I want to make sure that my Namida Bukuro I want to make sure that my Namida Bukuro is easier to see. And then I use the brown again right under my eye to like connect. Well, not connect, but like. So that's one eye done. All right. Like that. This is from Can Make also. This is the lighting liquid eyes. And I put it on the white inside part to like make it like brighter. And it also has a little bit of sparkle in it. So it'll like give you that kind of crying effect that the Jirai girls have. And then this is my favorite mascara. I've used it for a very, very long time. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I love it a lot, always using it. And my mom sends me one when I run out because I don't know where to get Benefit in Japan. I don't use false eyelashes anymore because I used to wear them a lot when I wore Lolita fashion, but like the glue, like when you take it off, like your eyelashes will sometimes stick to it. And I'm like, I don't want to like lose real eyelashes because I have pretty long eyelashes anyway. So I stopped using falsies. So now I just work on making my eyelashes big as hell. This is a Etude House Better Lip Talk, and this is shade RD307. Now, what I like to do is make like kind of a sort of gradient-y-ish lippy, and then I put the Dior Glow Lip Oil over it. This is shade Pink, but because I always use like red lipstick, it got redder. The Creme Shop, this is a setting and priming spray, which I didn't do the priming part, but whatever. It's oil absorbing and brightening apparently. It smells like strawberries. And it's got my Melody on it, which is the main reason why I bought it. I literally saw the packaging and was like, okay, my Mellow. Okay, I'm also, for the Twin Tails, going to put these in it, which were quite popular in my last photo on Instagram. A lot of people liked my hair, so these are just braided like little clip-in extensions from AliExpress. They cost maybe like 300 yen, but they had a really cool effect, and now that my hair is black, I think that they'll fit in a bit better. So this is one done. Here is the other one. Now I'm just going to do my bangs. If you ever get your bangs cut at the hair salon, don't just ask for straight across bangs. Like, always just show them a picture of some Jirai girl. I promise that, like, it'll just look way better than if you're like, I want straight across bangs. Because, like, if you live in a Western country, like, I'm American, if you ask for, like, straight across bangs, for some reason, it's just never the fucking vibe. Like, I don't get it. But if you show them a picture of like the like the I like having this part like slightly open. Like, show them that. Show them, teach them, educate them on the Jirai straight bang, because it's like super straight. Like, it's more than a normal straight bang. It's like a fucking art form to get it this straight. Let me quickly go hide my clean clothes that I haven't put away in the closet so that you guys can't see that. And then I will put on the little fashion show, like, oh, here's my outfit. Sick. Cool. Glad we understand each other. Today it is a setup from Secret Honey with the shorts and the top. Shit, drop my earring. It's still a bit chilly out for like real, just like short sleeves, but it gets warm on certain times in certain places, but at night it's definitely still a bit cold. So I'm going to be wearing this hoodie by the brand Rady, which for the longest time I thought was pronounced Rady because it's spelled R-A-D-Y, but apparently it's supposed to be like Rady, like lady. Anyway, if you were a Gyaru back in the day, you were probably familiar with Rady, but I found this at a thrift store, new with tags, and I like it a lot because it has like these like light pink stripes, and it also has like light pink on this, so I think it was like perfect for Jirai. It was kind of like giving me like old school Gyaru vibes, but also giving me new school Jirai vibes. So anyway, this is what it looks like with the hoodie. I like that it's nice and oversized. And there's the hood. And so yeah, it gives the outfit a bit more of a cozy look, where I feel like without it, it's a bit more elegant. But like, honestly, cozy is kind of my vibe all the time. I'm kind of a traditional Jirai look. I'm gonna go with the Jirai backpack. On this one, he's got, from the Orange Blood album, he's got a flower in his mouth. Cute. my wallet. This is actually super cute. I've been carrying this around with me quite a lot. So I got this during my trip to New Orleans, which, in case y'all don't know, I'm from Bay St. Louis, Mississippi, and I used to go to New Orleans like basically every single weekend because it's pretty close by. And this was handmade. There's a little lace shop in the French Quarter, and it's called Rendezvous, and it's super cute. And so you can use this as like a little sachet, or like when I go to Satsueka and I need to take my rings off, I can put the rings through here. But it's also, because I'm psychotic, it's also great for oshikatsu, like little mini stuff. So I put that in there for that sort of thing. But they also have like a cute blue one. If you're ever in New Orleans, check out Rendezvous. It's super cute. And then because we might do some shopping, or also like if I get hot and I want to take off my jacket, I will bring a little tote bag with me that I'm just going to fold up and put in my backpack. It looks like me and Earl Grey. A lot of people asked me about this specific dog. It's K-pop shit. Like, it's not a new Sanrio character. It's nothing like that. It is my Oshi's pet dog that has his freckles and eyebrows. Like, it's, sorry to bum people out. It's Oshi shit. Sorry, it's not a new Sanrio character. Sorry, I'm just a fucking K-pop weeb, I'm sorry. That's what it looks like. Yay. And then I'm going to be wearing some Rady shoes, but I don't feel like getting them right now, so I'm just going to put them on before I go outside. So yeah, anyway, I am going to leave my house now. I have no idea what time it is because I've been filming and there's no clock in my room and I'm using my phone, so I can't check the time. Hopefully I'm not late. Anyway, let's go to Yokohama together. Check out Capsule Bunny's channel. I will link her down below. Bye bye!